Good evening and welcome back to Low Gear. These European car manufacturers are in panic mode because of the uncertainty or transition from fossil fuel vehicles to electric vehicles will never happen. If you even put a boot in their face, they're not even convinced because they're so out of touch with reality and what the punters really want. Then you've got the CEO of the Volkswagen and say the European Union should make it mandatory the sales of electric vehicles. You can go to any manufacturer sales numbers, and regarding the sales of electric vehicles, sucks. And you're moaning about to force people to buy electric cars. One, they're too expensive, and the manufacturing and the workmanship of these vehicles are shit. And plus these cocksuckers, in every country they are present, they manufacture, they get government subsidies to build these cars, which no one wants. You should build cars which the market and the punters want. Whatever happened to research of the market, a study of these things? No. They think, one day they wake up and they pull the finger out their butt and they say, okay, let's make electric cars because the European Union says so. It won't catch on electric cars. There's not the infrastructure for it. Factories are even closing due to this electric cars. And these manufacturers are losing money. They can invest money in this losers project. They should come back to reality and start building vehicles which people want, affordable, reliable and easy to maintain, not sophisticated computerized electric cars which has many catches attached to it. Stellantis, as many car manufacturers even they got hard hits due to the drops of sales of electric cars. No one wants it. It's a mugs game. And they said to the Italian workers, if you want to work, you're going to have to move to Poland. It's not the fact they open up a new factory in Poland. A factory in Poland already exists. So what's the point of telling them to move to Poland if you want to work? Because you've got the Polish people already working at a factory or the Fiat for many years. It's just a crazy, crazy world. Another thing to end the story, in America, they're going to make skilled workers redundant. Don't know what manufacture of motor vehicles are, because they can hire cheap labour, probably illegal immigrants, pay them shitty money to build shitty cars. It's all a discussion. If you want to sell something, it must be a vehicle which people want. And even the most high standards of building quality and materials as well. You can't just wake up one day, we build this car and people buy it. We do not live in the Eastern Bloc or Soviet Union. They made these few shitty cars and people were waiting on waiting lists for years to have this car, which was a luxury at that time. or probably in the West in the future may come a luxury. Only few we able to afford will be on our bicycles or by foot in 50-minute cities. This is the future which they're pushing. They do it deliberately on purpose to make things fail. They got the money to build these things, and what happens? Nothing. They just have wasted taxpayers' money, they pocketed it, and then the story. And what they got to show? Nothing, just only crap.